Alright guys, here we are. Right now we are in Oceanside. And heading south. Running for the border, baby. That's right. It is season 2 of Moto Baba. And you are tuned in to the right place. Because the adventure has just begun. I'm going to be going south for the next 1.5 to 2 years. And then going to be in South America for 1.5 years after that. Before turning around, coming north. Won't be back up here until December of 2022. We're out of here, baby. We're out. This is it. We're going. So, tune in, subscribe. This is the adventure of a lifetime. Operation Freedom.
Talking about the freedom. Let yourself be free.
Yes, it's right.
Freedom.
Start right now.
Talking about the freedom.
Get your freedom tonight.
Freedom.
Yes, it's right.
Freedom. Let yourself be free.
Start right now.
Freedom.
Get your freedom tonight.
Freedom. Well.
Here we are at San Felipe, guys. Down on the boardwalk, the Malecon. And it is so quaint. Such a quaint, cute little town here of San Felipe. And I dig it. I like it. There's Wolf. Well, I'm gonna be staying here one more day, and I'm happy to say that. A total of 2 days. Tomorrow I'll be ready to get on back down the line, going further south to Punta Prieta. Yeah, these guys are cool. Yeah, man. Mexicans are fucking cool. I'm happy to be here.